Hi guys, Captain Nick once again with MarineMax over in St. Petersburg, Florida. Standing next to me today has an all-new Boston Whaler 13 Sport. If you're watching this video right now, chances are that your first memories out on the water with your mother, your father, grandfather were on a Boston Whaler 13 Sport back in the day. You know the ones I'm talking about in the 60s and early 70s, blue interior, brings back all the memories. Well, the more things change, the more they stay the same. Follow me for a twist on a timeless classic. You see them all over the place at almost every single MarineMax dealership. It's those white hull side, red graphics. However, we switched up a little bit this time with the light blue Boston Whaler gel coat. Really makes this boat pop and something that you're not going to see every single day. Boat, motor, trailer package here. Mercury 40 horsepower 4-stroke boat, sips fuel, go all day without having to fill up at the pump. Make our way over here to the starboard side of the boat. Bear with me, we're going to do one big take. Swim platform here, just like you saw on the port side. Moving up forward here. External fuel tank, nice big bimini, keep that Florida sun off you. Have the dash here with your throttle, doesn't get any easier than that. You see here, one of the things they switched up last year, you have that little compartment, keep everything nice and dry. Making our way up to the bow, you notice here, two very well appointed handrails, give everybody a place to hold on for when you're really moving across the bay. Up here, Boston Whaler does a great job hiding this space for an anchor locker, maybe a couple life jackets. That's what it's all about. Once again, I'm Captain Nick with MarineMax in St. Pete. I'm fired up, we're all fired up to get you and your family out on the water for the 2020 boating season. Until next time, I'm signing off.